How do you edit videos just like a text document? This AI tool is unbelievable. You can talk to your videos like a text document. You just type and it will make changes. You don't need to hire video editors anymore with this tool. Before we jump into the demo and tutorial, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool is called Descript, and yes, I will have a link below, my affiliate link, but this tool is going to replace all of your video marketing VAs, consultants, teams, because you can just talk, you can just type, and the AI, the new AI co-editor will make it happen. You can do anything and everything with your videos by just typing. All right, let me log into my account and show you the dashboard, show you the inside. So here I am I'm already logged into my account. This is what the dashboard looks like. And I'm gonna show you some of the main features. One of the things I like to do is convert long videos into multiple clips, whether those clips are horizontal for Facebook or vertical for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. It is so easy to do with Descript. So you can go to projects and click on new projects and then video project. And yes, if you have a podcast, audio only podcast, which I think most people now in 2025 should have video podcasts, but let's say if you do have audio podcasts, you can also do the same thing, text-based editing on the audio. So go to video, and then multiple options. You can upload a file. Let me resize this. You can upload a file, you can paste the link, you can record, and then you can also import from Zoom. So you have multiple options to bring your media, bring your videos into Descript ecosystem. I've already done that, so let me actually log in or actually click to this project flow with. So this is one of the videos I made. This is about 7 minutes long, and you can see this video has a lot of like ums and ahs, because that's how I talk. Look at this. And I'm gonna, now let's jump into the juice, the magic, the AI co-editor, the text-based editing. So for that, you're gonna click here, Underlord. That is your AI co-editor. So I'm gonna say, edit this video and remove all filler words. Now, this thing alone used to take us hours, especially on longer videos. And then when we started outsourcing to Fiverr and Upwork, it costed us a lot of money. And now with this one prompt, and look at this, the AI agent, it's thinking, and then in few seconds, it's gonna go through all of this and clean up my video. It is gonna make it like, oh, there you go. So it's already started working. You can actually follow along right here. Let's look at the details. Oh, it looks like it's already edited. Here you go. So all the unnecessary, the is gone, is gone. It took me how long? Like 19, oh, here you go. So it tells you it took 19 seconds. All the filler words gone from your video. All right, that was number one. Number two, and you can do anything. Let's say add dynamic captions to my video, right? So just a text command right here. Let me disable that. Hit go, and now it's gonna start adding dynamic caption. So think about, you can create B-roll by doing videos or even images and make your videos dynamic. You can do jump cuts, you can do zooms. So anything that a human video editor can do, AI co-editor can help that human and make it so much faster and cheaper for you. And look at this, it is done actually. Memory. So let me actually, I want to mute this, or it does not stop. It can use browser for you. It can go search Twitter. There are a lot of use cases you can do with this. Any questions, let me know about scheduling different type of tasks with Flowid in the comments below. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. So good, right? So it took us about 19 seconds to remove the ums, and then another like 10, maybe 10 seconds to add the caption. So if I click here and I can make it bigger, so you can see it. Let's play it again. How do you use AI agents to automate and schedule your tasks. That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into it, like and share so more people can. So cool, right? All right. Now, one of the things that I like to do is a lot with Descript is, now actually, this is my go-to video editing tool, is convert long video. This is a tutorial video, so it's gonna be, let's try it anyways. But if you have a talking head video, or you have podcasts where multiple people, it creates amazing and perfect clips, short clips from long videos for your social media. But this is more like a tutorial, so you can see I am at the bottom. Let me see if I can make it bigger. So you can see it. So my face is at the bottom, and then it's mostly a walkthrough of a tutorial, just like this. But let's also convert this into vertical shorts for social media. All right, so I'm gonna go back here and simple command, convert this video into multiple 30, let's say short clips. So less than 60 for TikTok. And then make these vertical 9:16, right? Let's hit go, and then it's gonna start the magic. What's really cool is you can see how this tool is thinking. You can see all the steps this tool is taking. So dividing the video into multiple clips, converting into like two different, that makes sense, because first you divide the video into the different clips, and then you change the resolution or change the aspect ratio to make it vertical. And then here is it's proceeding. And you can follow along. Let's look at the details. Here you go. Every step, how long it's taking. It's working through that. So let's give it a few seconds. And in just a few seconds, it is done. You can see all these vertical clips made from that one video. And also, if you click here, you can see it made actually 6 different clips. The video was about 8 minutes, so it wasn't a long video, but it has made 6 different TikTok style clips. So here's my clip number 1, here's my clip number 2, and you can see all the clips. So this one is about a minute. That's what I said, make it about 60 seconds, 30 seconds, less than 60 seconds or close to 60 seconds. Log in, here is my dashboard. I'm logged into my account. And there is obviously a black border on the top and bottom. I can change it if I want. But the reason for that is because the original video was done, it's a tutorial video. It's done in like a horizontal format. Another cool thing I've sometimes done is you can put the screen recording on the top and the speaker at the bottom. That's like another kind of cool layout that you can just tell it and it will do it. Unbelievable. Imagine how much time you're gonna save, and also money, because you don't have to hire the VAs. If you click on, so Agent Underlord is your AI co-editor. If you click on AI actions button right here, it shows you different things you can do. You can edit for clarity, you can add studio sound, you can remove filler words. That's what we did. You can remove retakes. You can also shorten the word gap, so make it fast paced, add chapters, captions. You can also change layouts. You can fix the eye contact, so you can record a video by reading the teleprompter and then tell this to the AI Underlord agent, Underlord inside Descript to fix it for you. So, and repurpose, we saw that, highlight reels, find highlight, translates. So if you want just ideas about what different things you can get your AI co-editor to do, you can click on AI actions and then go through this. You can also brainstorm and then create videos from scratch from text prompt. We'll cover that in a separate video, but I wanted to show you the power of text-based video editing and also being able to convert longer videos into short viral clips by just typing, by just giving text commands. So simple. Any questions, let me know. Again, the link is below, my affiliate link, but you are gonna love this tool. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.